No Born Topanariss. PM Holness Distances Himself from Elitism, defends integrity amid ongoing scrutiny. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness has declared that he is not from Jamaica's elite class, telling Jamaica Labour Party (JLP) supporters on Sunday that he is a product of humble beginnings, not privilege. Addressing a spirited crowd at a constituency meeting in St. Andrew East Rural, the JLP leader emphasised that he has never benefited from handouts or exploited others to get ahead. "Me work in everything me have. Me no born with gold spoon and me no have no Topanarisses in me," Holness told the cheering audience, using the Jamaican term that refers to members of the upper class or those seen as entitled by birth. The Prime Minister positioned himself as a disruptor of the status quo, a leader who represents merit over entitlement. His comments come amid renewed public discourse surrounding class, privilege and political legacy, particularly as the opposition leader Mark Golding continues to face scrutiny over his ancestral links to the slave-owning class. While not naming Golding directly, Holness appeared to draw a clear contrast between their upbringings and the paths each has taken to political power. "Some people believe Sir dem born fi-led because dem family used to run things long time. But not in a dis Jamaica. We believe in hard work, honesty and opportunity to I all." Despite Holness's passionate defence of his character, questions about his own financial dealings persist. The Prime Minister remains under the cloud of an inconclusive investigation by the Integrity Commission, which is probing alleged illicit enrichment based on his 2021 statutory declarations. The Commission has so far not certified his income declaration, citing unresolved concerns. Holness has denied all allegations of wrongdoing and has taken the matter to court, challenging the process and the findings.
"The story of my life is that I have never been given anything free. I've had to work for anything that I have had. I have said it before and I will say it again. I don't know what a gold spoon looks like. It has never been in my mouth. I have no inheritance or any endowment or any trust fund anywhere. Whatever I have worked hard and honestly for it. I have never gained wealth by exploiting the people. No. And I want to say to you that my ethic is that I believe in working for what I have. By the sweat of my brow, I shall eat bread. And that is the ethic of the Jamaica Labour Party. We work for what we have. And in the same way, we are working for the third term. We are not believing and acting as if we are entitled to a third term. There is no entitlement. Some people behave like they own Jamaica. It doesn't matter that time come for them. It's not a matter that they work for it. It's not a matter that they deserve it. It's not a meritocracy. It's just that time, the effluxion of time. It's just so. But we have never, I certainly have never behaved entitled in Jamaica.